Hello and welcome to part 3. This time we're going to install Git. Okay, so you can install Git in two different ways, or probably more, but we'll take a look at two. So the easiest is probably just to do it through IntelliJ, and I open that up and you can see, so this is completely fresh install. I have no projects on this computer, so this is what it looks like for me. There is a get from VCS, and in here it says Git is not installed. So let's go ahead and do that. Download and install. And you can also do it through the website. We'll just see that in a minute. But this way it's probably easier, and we make sure that all settings are set up correctly. So we're just waiting a little bit. It takes a minute or two. Okay, there we is. We're ready. And to verify that the installation is complete, I can go to GitHub. So I have a GitHub. I have my own. I can just take the URL of a Java project. You see this is all Java. It's set up through IntelliJ, so I can check it out in IntelliJ. I can say I want to clone this project, meaning I want a local copy of it, which is not connected to the GitHub repository. So this is not how you set up for your semester project when you want to collaborate, but it's just to verify. And yeah, okay, so I did this one before, so we just have to make an empty folder. Clone. Yeah, I totally trust everything. And there we go. It's opened up. It's just setting up stuff, and it seems that everything is okay. So that's the, I guess, easiest way to install GitHub, or just Git. Alternatively, you can go to the website. You just Google Git download, right? And you go to the first one, and you get in here in Windows, and that will download an installer, and that's probably equally nice. I guess you can do it this way as well. Okay, so that's how we installed Git. See you in the next part.